Do you notice you have a flat tire or your tire is low and you go check it out and it's a nail or a screw inside of it? Just watch me, I'll show you how to fix it. So I noticed that one of the tires was low on air. I came out here with my little jump pack, portable air compressor, and try to fill it up, and then I started to hear a hissing sound, and you'll notice right there is a nail. So actually I got to back it up just a little bit so that I can pull that out with pliers. So here's what we need to do to fix it. You got to have some tools like that, like that, like that, and more importantly, these plugs. So the pliers is to pull that nail out. That will rasp and open that opening up some more. And then this will hook one of these rubber patch cords around it, and it will stick it into the tire and pull it out. So here we go. First thing we'll do is pull this, and this is incredibly sticky stuff. And you want it to be. So it'll seal up that hole made by the nail. Golly, this has been sitting in the shed for a long time, so it's already begun melting. Now it won't be this bad if you're just buying it from the store, because you know it's been sitting in air conditioning for a while. There we go. Then you just thread it like a needle. All right, almost there. So you want to pull it like about halfway. All right. Oh, the screw figures. And then we'll go ahead and there we go. Let's see if that'll hold. All right, let's see what it's reading. If I just didn't let 1 or 2 psi of air out. All right, about 33, so that's good. I don't hear anything leaking, so we can cut off what's sticking out. Hopefully I don't pull this out, or you can use scissors. We'll say it took about 14 minutes to air up that tire from almost nothing to about 33 psi. So, you know, that's a way to plug the hole in the tire. Now, if it was on the sidewall, you can't do that. That renders, if you do it on the sidewall, that renders that tire no good. It's unserviceable. You do not patch on the sidewall. But because this was in the tread, it'll do for now, but I'm gonna have to take it to a tire place and have them do an actual patch on it from the inside. And because I don't know, you got that, if I have a remnant of a screw rattling around inside that tire, that's no good. So anyway, hope that helps. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments box and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks. You have a terrific rest of your day.